Hello everyone, this is James, KG4AXO, and I want to talk about different radio services. I know I already talked about this before, but what radio service do I recommend? Do I recommend GMRS, General Mobile Radio Service? Do I recommend ham radio, amateur radio operator, FRS, Family Radio Service, MERS, Multi-Use Radio Service, or CB, Citizen Band? I have a GMRS license. I have a ham radio license. I recommend every radio service in case crap hit the fan. You have radio service. I got handhelds. I got a ham radio handheld. I should say ham radio handhelds. I got a GMRS handheld, GM30. I don't have a MERS radio yet. I got a CB radio. It's a Unity or something. It's a very, very old radio. Handheld. So I do recommend getting every radio that you can. That way, if crap hit the fan, that you hopefully could get help. You can listen to ham radio on a scanner or another radio. It's not illegal to listen to any frequency: police, fire, EMS, school buses, school board, mall security, whatever. It's not illegal. It's illegal if you transmit. I'm not a lawyer, but you can listen to any frequency you want. So that's what I recommend. Like I said, I recommend every... And I'm going to buy a MERS radio. And one of these days. But need to remember, if you buy a radio, use it responsible. If you don't have a license to talk on ham, do not talk on ham. You might say that, oh, nothing will happen, nobody will catch me. Let me tell you, there's some hams that can triangulate or find where you are. Don't key up on GMRS without a license. FRS is free. You can talk on FRS all the time. MERS, you can talk on MERS all the time. Same way with CB. But you need to remember to use if you buy a bow thing, you can hear FRS, GMRS, MERS, ham, police, fire, EMS if they are not digital. But it's illegal to transmit on a radio if you don't have the the right license. So remember, I recommend everything, but be responsible whatever radio service you get in or whatever radio service you listen or whatever radio you going to get. Do it responsible. Everyone had a great holiday.